never forget the way you feel right now. Oh no, no way. And I would do anything for love, but I won't do that. Oh no, I won't do that. And some days I don't come easy, and some days it don't come hard. Some days it don't come at all, and these are the days that never end. And some nights you're breathing fire, and some nights you're carved in ice. Some nights you're like nothing I've ever seen before will again. Or maybe it's crazy, oh crazy and you. I know you can save me, no one else can save me now but you. As long as these planets are turning, as long as the stars are burning, as long as your dreams are coming true, if you believe it, that's what I would ever do anything for you. Oh, I would do anything for you, love. Oh, I would do anything for love, but I won't do that. Oh no, I won't do that. Would do anything for love, anything you've been dreaming of, but I just won't do that. Would do anything for love, anything you've been dreaming of, but I just won't do that. And some days I pray for silence, and some days I pray for your soul. Some days I just pray to the God of sex and drugs and rock and roll. And maybe I'm lonely, that's all I'm qualified to be. There's just one only promise I can keep. As long as the wheels are turning, as long as the fire's burning, as long as your prayers are coming true, I believe it, that I would do anything for love. And I know it's true and that's not right. I would do anything for love, and there's nothing better than that. But I'll never do it better than I do it with you. So long, so long. I would do anything for love. I would do anything for love. I would do anything for love, but I won't do that. Oh no, I won't do that. But you will praise me up and will help me down. Will you give me right out of this godforsaken town? Will you take me all and take this and cold? We can do that. Oh, now I can do that. Love you can carry you to every fantasy I got. Will you hold me down with holy water if I get too hot? Will you take my face and never know? Now I can do that. Oh, now I can do that. I know that Jim Carrey, I've never been around until it turns to dust, and I won't do it. That is way too freaking hard.